Welcome back to my channel Skill Set Go. In this video we will learn how to fill 3 into 3 magic matrix. So what is magic matrix? So in 3 into 3 magic matrix we need to fill the numbers 1 to 9, and after filling, if we add all the row numbers and all the column numbers and all the diagonal numbers, we need to get the same sum, that is 3 into 3 magic matrix. So in previous video we have seen one of the possibilities of the filling magic matrix so that we will get same sum. In this video we will see the total 8 possibilities how we can fill 3 into 3 magic matrix. So let's fill it and let's go to the formula or the process how we can fill it in 8 possible ways. So first I will fill, then I will tell you the process. So in this matrix, if you add all the rows and all the columns and the diagonals, you will get the same sum. Let's add and try. 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 8, 15, 9, 14, 15, 2, 9 plus 6, 15. And let's add columns. 8, 9, 15, 8 plus 7, 15. This is also 15. And let's add diagonals. 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 6, 15, 8 plus 5, 14, 8 plus 5, 13 plus 15. So we got the same sum if we add all the rows, all the columns and the diagonals. So let's see the process how I fill it. So the first step you need to follow is we need to keep 1 in the middle row and the right end. Then we need to go in this direction, below and right. So first step is to go to this direction. So this box is out of the matrix, so we need to fill opposite of this box with 2. So if this step fails, we need to follow opposite box. Then again follow the first step, this direction, and this box is out of matrix, then fill opposite of this box with 3, and again follow the first step. So the first step is already filled. So if first step fails, if it is already filled, then we need to follow the third step. We need to fill the left box, that is left of 3 is this one, 4. Again follow the first step. So here it is empty, fill it. Again follow, here it is empty, fill it with 6. Again follow the step, and this box is out of the matrix, and if you see any opposite of this box is also out of the matrix, then in this case also we need to keep in the left of this number, that is this one. Again follow the first step. Here this box is out of matrix, then check the opposite of this box which is empty and fill with 8, and again follow this direction. This box is out of matrix and fill opposite of this number, that is 9. So if you can see, add all the columns, all the rows and all the diagonals, you will get the same sum, 15. So this is one way, this is one possibility of filling. So the next possibility is, total there are 8 possibilities. We have discussed the first possibility, and we will fill this box with the same steps, but in the first step we will go in other direction. So we will go top right direction, and these 2, 3 is same. So let's do it. So we need to fill 1 here first, then we need to go top right direction, which is this direction. This box is out of matrix, then we need to fill opposite of this one, which is 2. Again follow the same direction, and this box is out of matrix, then fill opposite of this. Again follow the first, this is already filled, then we need to fill left. Again follow the same direction, 5 in the same direction, 6 in the same direction, and this is out of matrix, and we can't fill opposite of this also, which is out of matrix. So we need to follow this one. So the left of this is this one, we need to fill with 7. Again follow the same direction. This box is out of matrix, then try to fill opposite of this, which is 8. Again follow same direction, and this box is out of matrix, then fill opposite of this. So if you see, these numbers and these numbers are different. So try to add and see whether we will get the same sum or not. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 8 15, 9 plus 5 14, 1 15, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 6 15, and let's add columns 15, 7 plus 5 12, 15, and this is also 15, and let's add diagonals 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 8 15, 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 4 15. So this is the first possibility and this is the second possibility. So here we followed these steps and in this we followed these steps. So there are 6 more possibilities of 3 into 3 magic matrix. So in other 6 possibilities we no need to follow any steps. We can use this matrix and we can follow other 3 matrix with using this box and other 3 with using this matrix. So how? So let's try to add this. 9 plus 2 11, 11 plus 4 15, 7 plus 5 12 15. So if we add here also we will get 15 and all the diagonals. So how I did this matrix is just rotated this matrix with 90 degrees. Just rotate with 90 degrees, you will get this matrix, and rotate this matrix again with 90 degrees, we will get one more matrix, that is 6 7 2 1 5 9 8 3 4. So if you add again these numbers, you will get the same sum, that is 15 15 15, and add columns, you will get 15 15 15, and diagonals also you will get 15, and again rotate this matrix again with 90 degrees, you will get one more matrix, 8 1 6 3 5 7 4 9 2. So again try to add all the columns, you will get same sum 15. So all the columns, all the rows. So with using this matrix we got 3 matrices. So follow the same method with using this matrix. Rotate this with 90 degrees. So if you rotate, we will get 4 9 2 3 5 7 8 1 6. If we try to add, again we will get 15, and columns also, diagonals also. Again rotate this matrix with 90 degrees, you will get one more possibilities, 8 3 4 1 5 9 6 7 2. If we try to add, you will get same sum 15 with all the columns, all the diagonals. Again rotate this matrix with 90 degrees, you will get one more possibility, 6 1 8 7 5 3 2 9 4. If you try to add, you will get 15 again with all directions and diagonals. So these are the total 8 possibilities of 3 into 3 magic matrix. So filling 1 to 9 numbers, and we need to get the same sum in all columns, all the rows and all the diagonals. I hope you understood and liked this video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel Skills at Go in the YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.